Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what WordPress can do. So a lot of people have been asking, what can WordPress do? What are the things that WordPress can do? What are the things that I can use WordPress to do? There are a lot of things you can do with WordPress. So let me just give you a glimpse of the kind of sites you can build with WordPress. There are over 30, about 20 something here, and there's still plenty more that we cannot keep counting. You can build a blog or a personal website with WordPress. You can build a business website. You can build an online store and e-commerce website. You can build a community or membership website, an online learning or course website. You can build an online marketplace, a pay-per-view site, a banking portal, a website for podcasts, a dropshipping website, a coupon website, an affiliate marketing website, job portals, freelancing website, non-profit website, business directories, auto website, auction website, travel portals, airline website where people book airline to travel from one location to the other using air, medical hospital website where people go book appointments and all those kind of stuff, fashion website where people go and see different fashion style and even pay for their sewing, buy material and all not what. A multilingual website. A website can be built on WordPress that can be translated into different languages, Chinese, Cantonese, different languages, Spanish, you can name it. You can also build forums with WordPress. You can build a social network like Facebook with WordPress. You can build a knowledge base, a very big wiki too, just like Wikipedia on WordPress. You can build a gym website. You can build a hotel website. You can build a jewelry store, a computer repair store, a video streaming site, and lots more. There are a lot of things you can do with WordPress. And you can also have a lot of integration. WordPress integrates with so many platforms, so many payment gateways, so many contact forms, so many things. Like the possibilities in WordPress are very, very endless. And the community, the development, the revolution, new things that are coming in are always very broad. So, guys, that is all on what WordPress can do. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.